Hello everybody! I wanted to add some color to my dinner, so I made this delicious cabbage salad. I began by cutting the cabbage very thinly, and I used some olive oil, which I added to my pan, and then the cabbage, and I mix it very well so all the cabbage is covered with the oil. You can see how beautiful it looks, all oily and covered. You don't need a lot of oil, just enough to cover everything, and it can be on mid heat. Then I put some seasoning, some salt, some pepper, and you can put any seasoning of your choice. Put like half a cup of water and some raisins to give the salad a little bit of sweetness, which is really enhance the flavor. Lowered my heat to low heat and covered the dish. I let it cook for about 10 more minutes and the salad was ready and it was delicious.